Hey, what's up everybody? It's CampingRandy here, CampingRandy.com. One of the coolest and quickest upgrades you can do, which should have come factory from Honda, is putting in a cargo light. So you have a nice light shining down here. This literally takes 30 seconds. Get yourself a plastic pry bar. All I have is my screwdriver. Open this up, and then all you're gonna do is come up in here and you are gonna plug it into that. Let's get it out. Here's the part number if you need it. I have it at the CampingRandyStore.com. I appreciate if you purchase from me. All proceeds go to the Passport build. LOL. And yes, it does come with instructions if you need that stuff. Literally doing this one-handed. That's it, it's plugged in. Put these fins to the back. Actually, you gotta get this thing out of the way. Once you get it plugged in, take these fins here, pop them in the back. This side's a little difficult because the plug is here, so just push that up in there like that. Poof, you're done. That's it. And yes, ladies, this shuts off if you leave it on when you close the lid. That's it.
Hey, I forgot one thing. Enjoy the adventures.